This video shows how to create a revision cloud in Revit. Revision clouds are polyline that consist of sequential arcs. They are used to call attention to portion of a drawing. Here I have two revisions on this drawing. One is need to add each chairs at the both ends of this table. Second one is need a single door instead of double door for this macro. Here I show how to mark these two revisions on this drawing using revision tool. Revision tool is on annotate toolbar. Just click on the annotate toolbar. We can see the revision cloud tool on detail panel. Then I draw the first revision cloud around the table. And finish this step by clicking on the tick button. The same step repeated for next revision. Second step is we need to add the revision details. For that we go to View toolbar. You can see the sheet issues or revisions on sheet composition panel. In this box, you can add the revisions by clicking Add button. Now we added two revisions. In description box, you can give the revision details. First description is each chairs on both ends of table. Second description is replace double door with single door. In macro. Then click on OK. Next step is assigning the revision details for corresponding revision clouds. For that, select the revision cloud. Then go to Property box. Under Identity Data panel, there is option called Revision. From the drop-down menu, we can assign corresponding detail for the cloud. Go to the Sheet section. We can see the revisions on revision table placed in title block. Thank you for watching this video.